gorgeous people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gypsy Escape. My name is Annie, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and do hit the notification bell button to be notified every time a new video gets uploaded here on this channel. Now, as you can read by the title of this video is where I'll be creating 7 different outfits by taking inspiration from styles of 7 different digital content creators. Now mind you, this is not a recreation kind of video because let's be practical, किसी और का style totally incorporate करना and उसको wearable बनाना is not always an option, and that is what I want to tell you guys in this video, and this is the motive of this video, that whenever you hate a person for not having a wearable kind of fashion sense, a fashion style that is not relatable to you, that is in a way your mistake because you are depending your style किसी और के style के ऊपर. So instead you have to take inspiration and उस inspiration को अपने style के साथ mix करके you create your own wearable, comfortable kind of outfit, and that is what I'm going to do. So let's get started. Starting off with the first outfit, I'll be taking inspiration from that quirky miss, and those who don't know about her, मैं उनका YouTube channel का link description में डाल दूँगी, including her Instagram handle. Now, as soon as you will open her Instagram, she's very much into paperback jeans recently and graphic t-shirts and loose kind of t-shirts usually, including tie-dyes, which she has been liking recently. So I recently got tie-dye t-shirt loose wali from my brother for Rakhi, and that is what I have done is outfit mein. So I have styled that loose t-shirt with normal jeans because I don't think so I'll be comfortable in the paperback jeans. Moreover, मेरे पास है भी नहीं, so there is no point even getting it just for one video. So मेरे पास जो already high-waisted jeans थी, I have used that, and she wears usually Crocs. अब मेरे पास Crocs भी नहीं थे, and she's not into flats and everything, especially जब casual kind of look होता है. So इसलिए मैंने flats भी use नहीं किए. Instead, I have used sneakers. To complete the outfit, मैंने बहुत minimal jewelry, मतलब इसमें तो कोई भी jewelry नहीं है. One accessory that I have used is a sling bag, and that completes my outfit where I have taken inspiration from style of that quirky miss aka Aditi. Now coming on to the second look, I have selected Masoom. Now she's an amazing content creator. Like मैं उनका कभी भी Instagram page open कर लूँ, I feel so much positivity, and उनका style भी इतना relatable है. But at the same time, when I opened her Instagram, I just couldn't find something जिससे मैं easily जिससे inspiration ले सकूँ. It is like she has those traditional kind of outfits. I could recreate साड़ी का एक look, but again मेरे पास साड़ी यहाँ पे नहीं थी. So मैं बहुत महीने पीछे चल गई थी, and I saw where she was styling kaftans. And I do have a kaftan, and it is also my kind of style usually for casual days at home or even बाहर जाने के लिए, pairing it with a flat and no jewelry and hair open, and that is what I have done. And a simple makeup look, and it resonates with her style as well, and moreover it is my wearable style. So this was the second outfit that I have created taking inspiration from Masoom. Again, उनका जो Instagram handle है वो आपको description box में मिल जाएगा. Moving on to the third outfit, मैंने जिससे inspiration ली है, that is none other than Komal Pandey. I guess कोई भी fashion video, especially when I am creating a YouTube fashion video, it is incomplete without Komal Pandey's style. I won't say that it is completely my style, but again, whenever you see any content creator out there on the internet, just use your mind and don't just simply spread hate आंखें बंद करके. You need to understand that their style is not going to be completely yours. There are very few people जिनके style से आप resonate करेंगे. But again, all you can do is take inspiration from the style, and that is what I try to do with her style to make it comfortable in my own way. So I have paired this slit skirt, which I recently got, and I actually love this skirt, and with a corset again जिसमें मैं comfortable हूँ, which is wearable for me, not too deep, not too गले तक. But yeah, this is the outfit that I have created. Now she has those statement earrings in her looks and I love them. तो मेरे पास जो statement earrings थी ये blue chunky kind of, and this matched with the whole vibe of the outfit, and again keeping the look very minimal जब makeup की बात आती है. So this is the look that I created, taking inspiration from the Komal Pandey. For the fourth look, we have Akriti Rana Gill. Now for a very long time, matlab, I never related to her or anything. But recently, you know, those who have been following her, they will agree that she has a shift in, you know, attitude, in the way she carries herself, and a positive change. That is what I'm talking about. And what her style is sneakers, like tomboyish. Even with the dresses, she wears sneakers, and I love that about her. She keeps the jewelry to the minimal. जब तक कोई traditional outfit नहीं आता, usually she does not wear earrings and anything. And that is what I have done. No earrings, just a pretty skated dress, colorful like her feet, and sneakers जो मैंने डाले हैं. And that's it, with minimal makeup and hair open. That is my fourth outfit. Moving on, for the fifth outfit, I have taken inspiration from Ritvi. She is, you know, a recent content creator, and the content, reels, transitions, outfits that she creates बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं, and she's like my recent crush, and I love everything about her. Her vibe, it just resonates, and the way she's growing, she deserves it all. So for this outfit, what I have done is, her style includes, you know, corset belts. उनके बहुत सारी pictures हैं, outfits हैं. I'll put them here जिनमें उन्होंने corset belt use की है, and the same I have tried to incorporate मेरे outfit में. Now she usually plays with floral, dark tone kinds of outfits. So मैंने अपना जो top है उसको भी उसी tone में रखा है. It is floral but black color में, and जो pants है वो contrasting है, just like her style. And yeah, that is how I have used her style to make it more comfortable for me. We are reaching the second last outfit, and इसके लिए I have chosen style of Pooja, aka that cozy vibe. Now Pooja has a style like इतना effortless होता है. आप उनका Indian wear देख लो, आप उनकी casual styles देख लो, आप उनकी जितनी भी outfit videos होती हैं, it looks like okay, I can also wear that, but then you wear and you are like, मेरे ऊपर इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. But like I'll say, आपके लिए इतना relatable style है पूजा का that you all will enjoy if you haven't yet followed her. उनका Instagram handle again आपको description में मिल जाएगा, so you can check out her Instagram and see what I'm talking about. Now she has lot of shirts, loose wali, that she styles, and usually colors are what she plays around, usually not black. मतलब I have hardly seen her कि वो black वाले outfits ही डाल रही हैं या बिल्कुल plain outfits. She usually plays with colors, and that is what I have tried to do here. मैंने maroon color की pants को एक pinkish tone color के loose shrug type के साथ wear किया, because मेरे पास loose t-shirt नहीं थी. So I had this cover up जो मैंने you know beach के लिए लिया था, but I have styled it as a shirt and नीचे bralette wear करके in the same way, एक side को अंदर tuck in करके. And yeah, this is a wearable style for me as well, and I like how it looks on me. So yes, this is the sixth outfit that I have created. Finally, you guys, we are on to the seventh outfit, and which is this one, the one that I'm wearing right now. And if you are a fashion junkie like me, you will know ये outfit किससे inspired है. You can see these silver junk jewelry and this kurta that I have paired with jeans. So the outfit inspiration is from that boho girl, Kritika Khurana. Like from the first day that I joined Instagram, she was the one I started following, and till date I have been following her. I've seen her evolve her fashion sense. Like बीच में एक ऐसा भी time आया था, it was not so relatable उनका fashion style जो था. But again, as I said, I used to take inspiration उनके style से and make it wearable for me. But recently जो उनका style है, like it is so relatable, and मेरे लिए सबसे इजी ये आउटफिट सिलेक्ट करना था बिकॉज आई रेजोनेट द मोस्ट विद हर एंड मेरा भी स्टाइल उनके जैसा ही है. सो आई हैव यूज दिस कुर्ती ब्लू कलर की विद डेनिम्स, लूज वाले वाइड लेग डेनिम्स, and added some silver jewelry because इसके बिना तो this look was incomplete and this whole look screams Kritika Khurana I guess. And I have let my hair loose because tied hair मुझे इतने अच्छे नहीं लगते. She usually makes those buns and braids and everything. I'll try to do that thing but पता नहीं, मतलब अभी मैं उसके साथ कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ ब्रेड्स वगैरह एंड टाई करने के लिए बालों को. एंड नीचे आई हैव एडेड a simple flats, and along with that I have a bag which screams boho again, and this completes my 7th outfit. So guys, we have come to the end of this video and this video is for all those people who think कि हमें हर एक फैशन ब्लॉगर के साथ रिलेट करना ही है, उनके फैशन सेंस के साथ रिलेट करना ही है. एंड अगर हम पूरा रिलेट नहीं कर रहे हैं 100%, दैट पर्सन डिजर्व्स हीट, which is totally wrong. All you need to do is take inspiration. You have to realize you and me, we are two different people. Your style is not going to be mine is not going to be you. There will be some जिनके साथ आप पूरा रिलेट कर रहे हैं, बट जिनके साथ आप नहीं रिलेट कर रहे, उनके आउटफिट में कुछ तो ऐसा होगा जिसको आप अपनी लाइफ में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हैं. So just do that. And अगर आप वो भी नहीं कर सकते, still you are seeing उनकी पोस्ट या something, just block them. Just don't spread hate. That is what I want to say. And if you like this video, please इस वीडियो को लाइक भी कर देना, नीचे कमेंट कर देना कि आपको कौन सा आउटफिट सबसे बेस्ट लगा and who your favorite fashion blogger is. I would love to know. And do share this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me because the efforts that I put in the video, I hope it reach maximum of the people. And do follow me on all my social media channels. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.